we are going to make an absolutely delicious praline crunch snack mix today. He's got a company party tomorrow and he wants to bring this. It's a wonderful recipe. I actually got it from a coworker of mine a couple of years ago. Everybody loved it when she made it. Everybody loves it when I make it. So I'm going to make it for you guys today, and you will love it, and then everybody will ask you for the recipe. So let's get started. All right, first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 250 degrees. All right, so what I have here is 8 cups of Crispix cereal that I've put into a big bowl, and I'm going to add 2 cups of roughly chopped pecans. And basically that's the snack mix. This is kind of a salty sweet snack mix. So just those 2 ingredients for that. Then to this pot, I'm going to add half a cup of the salted butter. You do want to use salted. If not, you will need to add a little bit of salt to the snack mix. Okay. And then I've got half a cup of brown sugar, dark brown sugar. Half a cup of light corn syrup. And I'm going to put this on the stove and we're going to melt it and bring it up to a boil, stirring it frequently. And then when it's ready, we'll mix it with the cereal and the nuts.
What are you doing here? What's going on?
Okay, so in this sauce pot, I'm melting the butter, the brown sugar, and the syrup. And like I said, I'm gonna wait for it to come to a boil, just stirring frequently. And I'm gonna let it boil for just a couple minutes. And then it should be ready to add to the cereal.
Do you add it onto the cereal hot?
Yes, you do. While we're waiting on the butter and the sugars and everything to melt over there, I'm gonna go ahead. You're gonna need a baking sheet. This is a 18 by 13. You want a pretty big one because obviously you want it big enough to accommodate all the cereal. And you just wanna lightly spray this with a non-stick spray. I just use this avocado oil spray, but if you have something different, that's fine too. Just give it a good coating. All right, this is what you want. It's come to a boil. See how it's bubbling? And to this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Make sure that's a teaspoon. Yep, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, and then half a teaspoon of baking soda. Okay. All right. Gonna give it another stir. Get all that mixed. Ooh, that smells good.
It does.
Don't you love the way the vanilla and butter combination and the brown sugar?
It smells like candy.
It does. This is it's a praline crunch snack mix. So this combination of the brown sugar, the butter, the vanilla, all of that is kind of like a praline toffee type mix. Now we're going to add this to the cereal and the nuts. I might have to get one of these little rubber spatula things to, oh yeah, because there's a lot more stuff in here.
Your husband has provided the spatula to you.
Wonderful. Thank you. Gonna get the last bit out. There we go. And I have to work pretty quickly because you can see it's already starting to get kind of solid. Yeah. Oh boy. I'm gonna just mix it up. And then we're gonna put this on the tray. Bake it in the oven. Ooh, Lord, that's hot.
I was going to say that might be something better done by hand, but if it's hot, you don't want to do that.
No, you don't want to do it by you don't want to do it by hand.
Something like molten sugar.
Yeah. Okay. I'm going to give it really well mixed. And then we're going to bake it in the oven. And it just kind of solidifies everything. And then I'll dump it on the tray. There's got everything. And just really spread this out. Now, obviously, you want to be kind of careful when you're mixing it. You don't want to break up the cereal too much, but you do want to get it all as covered as you can. Okay. And now I'm going to put it in the oven. All right, so we want to put it in the oven for about, it's going to bake for about an hour, but I'm going to check on it and kind of mix it around every 15 minutes or so. All right, so now I'm going to take it out of the oven so we can stir it up a little bit. I'm going to use these tongs.
Oh God, that smells good.
It smells amazing. It smells like caramel, doesn't it? Kind of.
Well, I think that's what caramel is just sugar.
Well, yeah, but I mean, see, so what it is, it's like the brown sugar, the vanilla. Well, actually, yes, the combination of the vanilla, all that stuff, kind of makes like I guess that's like caramel. Anyway, you just want to kind of stir it.
And it's going to go back in the oven?
Yep, going to go back in the oven, and we have about 40 minutes left, but you just want to keep checking on it periodically and giving it a little mix. The snack mix is now done. Just take it out of the oven, let it cool for a bit, and it's ready to eat. So the snack mix is done. Unfortunately, this is really all we have left because, as I said, it was for my husband to take to work. My husband, Jeff, to take to work for his company Halloween party kind of thing.
Yeah.
So, but this is what we have. And I also have a picture of it when, you know, it was on the tray and everything. But we're going to give it a taste. Okay. Nice and crunchy.
Get some nuts.
Which is really good. It's just a simple,
Perfect.
sweet, kind of salty snack mix. Anytime I take it to a party or wherever, everybody always asks for the recipe. Everybody always loves it. You know, you could probably put some, what do you think, pretzels in here too?
Pretzels would be good.
You could do pretzels.
Chocolate drizzle.
A chocolate drizzle?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, maybe you could. Maybe you could melt some chocolate chips and kind of drizzle it on top. I've never done that, actually. Maybe I'll do that next time. I would.
Macadamia nuts.
Instead of pecans?
Could do it instead, sure.
Yeah, you could mix up the nuts. You could do peanuts. You could do macadamia nuts, whatever.
Although pralines are supposed to have pecans. So.
True. Well, anyway, we're going to go and finish just the last little bit of our snack mix. And if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, and we would love to have you subscribe to our channel. Until next time, make some snack mix. Bye.